In its worldwide warehouses, Heavydrive has a broad range of vacuum suction systems, cranes, and assembly aids. Regular inspection and maintenance of the transport and assembly equipment is part of the standard service at Heavydrive. This is the basic prerequisite for smooth deployment on the construction site. Experts carry out special tests that correspond to the respective country-specific regulations and standards. Heavydrive regularly sends experts to customers around the world for device maintenance and inspection. This international all-round service guarantees that the systems on construction sites around the world are always in top form.
Heavydrive.